Happy morning, children. Welcome to our next session in Fields and Fences. This is chapter 13 for grade 4, module 2. At the end of this session, you will be able to define what an area is and also to find the area of a given polygon. It may be a regular polygon or irregular polygon. Before going to area, let us recall what is a perimeter. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of any closed shape. And we learned how to find the perimeter of any shapes. In particular, we learned to find the perimeter of a square as well as rectangle. Perimeter of a square is 4 times its side. 4s. You can multiply the side by 4 to get the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the rectangle is you have to add the length and breadth and multiply it by 2. 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now let's see what an area is. Area is the space occupied by any closed shape. Look at the shape given here. You have an irregular shape in which you can find two colors filled with red and green. So red color specifies an area as well as green color is also the area. The space covered by any closed shape is called an area. So here the shape, they have divided the shape into two areas, A1 and A2. A1 is an area, A2 is also an area. So area is nothing but the space occupied by any closed shape. Let's look at the first example. You want to find the area of the given polygon. We all know already polygon is any closed shape made of straight lines. So now we want to find the area of the given polygon here. So the simple way to find out the area is you have to divide the given polygon into small squares, each having 1 square centimeter as its area. Okay, now in the given shape, I have divided the whole shape into small squares in which each square has area 1 centimeter. So by dividing it into small squares, you can find the total area of the polygon by adding all the areas. So here area of each small box is 1 square centimeter. So the total number of boxes here are 9. So the total area of the given polygon is 9 centimeter square. An important thing you have to note is, in order to write the area, you have to write the unit with square units. You have to write the area with square units. So the area of the given polygon is 9 centimeters square. Look at the second example. You want to find the area of the given polygon. So you know that area is the space occupied by a closed shape. So we can divide the space into small squares, each having the area 1 centimeter. So here the area of each small box is 1 centimeter square. So the total number of boxes here is 10. So the area of the given shape is 10 centimeters square. Now it's your turn, children. Find the area of the given polygon here. Yes, the area of the given polygon is 12 centimeters square. I hope everybody got the correct answer. Congratulations, children. Now let's see how to find the area of a square. You all know square is a four-sided figure in which all the four sides are equal. Now look at the example given here. It is a square having 3 centimeter. So in order to find the area of the square, it's very easy, children. You want to multiply 3 into 3. See, the side of the given square is 3 centimeter. So area of the square is 3 into 3. You have to multiply the side twice to get the area. So I just repeat, in order to find the area of the square, you want to multiply the side twice to get the area. Now let's see how to find the area of a rectangle. So rectangle is a four-sided figure in which the opposite sides are equal. The two length are equal and two breadth are equal. So it's very easy. In order to find the area of the rectangle, you have to multiply the length and the breadth. Look at the example given here. The length of a rectangle is 8 meter and the breadth of the rectangle is 6 meter. So the area of the rectangle is L into B. 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48 meters square. So the area of the given rectangle is 48 centimeters square. Few examples to find the area of the square and rectangle. Look at the first example. You want to find the area of the square whose side is 5 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to multiply the side twice. So yes into yes. So area of the square is 5 into 5. 25 centimeter square is the area of the square. Look at the second example. You want to find the area of the rectangle whose length is 7 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter. So, in order to find the area for a rectangle, you have to multiply the length and the breadth. So, here the length is 7 and the breadth is 4. So, the area of the rectangle is 7 fours are 28 centimeter square. It's very easy, children. I hope you understood. Now, we are going to find the area of the given shape, which is an irregular shape. So look at the shape given here, children. It is an A, B, C, D, E, F. It is a closed shape. We want to find the area for this shape. So first step, we have to divide the given shape into smaller rectangles or squares. Based on that, you can find the area of the whole shape. Here we have divided the two rectangles A, B, C, D with a 3 centimeter length and breadth 1 centimeter, and then we have divided the another rectangle. We have made another rectangle D, E, F, G with length 2 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter. After dividing the given shape into two different rectangles, we can find the area of A1 and area of A2, and just by adding the two areas, we can get the area of the whole given shape. So first area of A1 will be, it is a rectangle having length 3 and 1. So multiply those two to get the area of A1. 3 ones are 3 centimeter square. Then area of the rectangle DEFG, it's again a rectangle having measure 2 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So multiply 2 ones are 2 centimeter square. Therefore, the total area of the shape is A1 plus A2. If you add 3 and 2, you are getting 5 centimeter square. So the area of the given shape is 5 centimeter square. Now children, look at one more example to find the area of the given shape. Here again you have a irregular shape. So first step 1, you have to divide the given shape into smaller rectangles or squares. So first we have drawn one line and we have divided into two rectangles. The first one having 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and the second rectangle having length 2 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. Once we divided into two different rectangles, we can find the area of first rectangle and then the area of the second rectangle, and then adding those two to get the total area. So first area of the first rectangle A1 will be 7 by 4. So which is 7 fours are 28 centimeter square. Then area of the second rectangle will be 2 into 4, which is 8 centimeter square. So the total area is 28 plus 8, which is 36 centimeter square. I hope it's very clear, children. Yes, now it's your turn to find the area of this irregular shape. Come on, children. So in today's session, we have learned to find the area of the given polygon. I hope today's session is very clear. You have understood the concept well, children. We'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.